We are heading into the kitchen to see what Chef D is cooking up for us this morning. Good morning. Are you all crabby today?
I'm all crabby today.
Ingredient-wise, not temperament.
Exactly. So we have some amazing Aruna crab here. Sustainable. What they do is they take all the profits back and they help those fishermen out and the villages out. So it's a really great story as well as a great product. So I put some onions, garlic, and peppers into my crab right now. Then I'm going to add some Sunny Dog garlic and herb cheese because these are going to be cheesy crab cakes on that.
Okay, and is Sunny Dog, is that a brand?
Yes, it is. You can buy it at like Loblaws and Porcino's and all that great places. It's from Bothwell. And then we're going to add in 2 eggs. I've just gently beat them. Now, instead of breadcrumbs, Annette, I'm going to add my good friend from Barry's Asparagus, the Berry Asparagus tortilla chips. I've just pulsed them, and we're going to use those instead of breadcrumbs. So these are totally gluten-free if that's what you're looking at.
Okay.
And they have a little bit of salt in it. So I'm not going to add any salt or pepper to my crab cakes. And then we're just going to mix this like this.
Oh, all the flavor combinations in those crab cakes.
Right. And then what we're going to do, and then we're just going to, again, just use your hands and build the crab cake.
Your hands are clean, right?
Yeah, they are so clean. And then just like so. I always like to say they're like a 3-bite.
And how do you know, when you're making cakes like that, how do you know that you've got the consistency right? Because sometimes mine are a little too dry or they're too wet. What do you do?
Okay, well, if you can just see this, just see how you can just see the moisture starting to come out of the crab a little bit, and there's lots of moisture there. So then it's not gonna be dry on you.
Okay. Hello to, which dog is that down below? Waiting for crumbs.
Oh, that's Titan. You know Titan. He always wants to be in.
Hello, Titan.
He always wants to be in the show, you know?
Oh, hello.
Anyway, so we have our crab cakes on. I have it on just past low. I don't want to burn them, right?
Right.
So you get your pan nice and warm. And the other thing you can do, you can put your pan in the barbecue, as it is barbecue season, and go from there as well.
Do you put a little oil in the pan before you do that?
100%, just a little bit. And because it's a non-stick pan, that's the reason I do that. So we're going to make our other dish today is a crab pasta. So just a little bit of onions and garlic, a little bit of peppers.
Titan approves.
I know, right? I'm sorry.
Don't apologize. We love him.
And then 3 tablespoons of Kalamata olives. I'm just going to give this a gentle stir. And while this is just sauteing, I'm going to quickly make my sauce for my crab cakes, which is just a tablespoon of Montreal steak seasoning. And then I have some roasted peppers here. And again, you know, we have some amazing peppers coming into the markets and that.
Right.
Yeah.
I was going to say, do you drain them? But yeah, you put a little bit of the oil in there, right?
Yeah, and then just give it a quick pulse. And I use sour cream, but you could use some mayonnaise if you wanted to. Wherever you want to go with this, if your aioli is what you want to do. And then we're just going to move this away.
They're telling me we've got a minute left.
Okay, so then I'm just going to quickly add my pasta, which is just already cooked. My crab cakes are finishing up. I'm going to turn those over, and you're going to see the nice little brown on here.
Nice.
And then add our pasta. No, I just cooked the pasta off Annette, the night before, so then you can just kind of add it like so. And then it's going to take like 30 seconds just to warm up for you. Take our crab cake off over here. And I just want to show you this, Annette, because I have some amazing nasturtiums, edible flowers, and just put your edible flower around it. You can eat these, make it look really pretty for you. And we're going to take a little bit of our aioli, put that on top. Oh. Amazing crab from our friends at Aruna, Bothwell cheese. Simple, easy. It's something different. It's going to be really hot. These are simple, easy recipes.
Nice.
You can do this on the barbecue as well.
So, looks delicious. I can't wait to have you back in our kitchen so we can actually try some of these things. But we'll get the links for the recipes up at chch.com. Chef D and Titan and Trish, thanks for joining us.
You're welcome.